Hey guys, Josh here with Goals Finishing. Quick video today about how to change a toilet flapper. Super easy, no tools required, so it's going to be a quick video. And don't forget to hit subscribe. Alright guys, so in my bathroom here, we're going to go ahead and pull this piece off. We're going to sit backwards on the toilet, like we're going to read a book while, Alright, so our first step, I turn the main water line off. Our next step is to flush it. This opens up the flapper here, the red piece. I'm going to drain all that water out of there. And it's not going to get it all because there is a little bit of a lift on that pipe there, so it's going to get about all of it, but maybe a ½ inch to an inch of water. Alright, so now we're going to take, there's a chain linked to the handle here. Okay, so I got the chain off. Remember which hole you use too. I used the third hole. So once that chain is off, you can reach down and simply, there's two arms down there, little plastic arms. Try and zoom in. Little plastic arms on the left and right side there up the pipe that go into this. So as you can see, it's super easy to just undo them real quick. And that's all there is to it. So basically, you get a new flapper, which this one is fairly new. We're going to reuse this one. But that's what it looks like. You can buy universals. Make sure to go ahead and measure the one you have, because their universal has two different things typically that I've seen, where you have, like, I want to say 2 to 3 inch universals and 5 inch universals, maybe 4 inch universals. They do have different universal sizes, which is funny because they call it universal. But make sure you take a measurement of your flapper before you go and buy one. So then we can simply, see if I can get it here, guys. There's one. And there's two. Easy. So see how they're sitting on that arm? Allows them to lift and swivel on that. So now, we attach this chain, and give me 1 second. Alright guys, so now that's back on, and if I push on the handle, you can see that arm raise and lower it. Alright, and that's what you want. Alright, so one more quick thing before I go. I just wanted to mention a couple of reasons why we do this. One is to increase the longevity of your toilet, first of all. And second of all, if you have issues with your toilet constantly running, where it seems like it needs to fill back up with water a lot without you even flushing it, that might be a sign that your flapper is bad. So that's basically it. Super simple. So tune in for my next video. Hopefully you learned something. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.